Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. And by the way, it's a pleasure serving you guys, okay? I love my YouTube family, and thank you for loving me. So I want you to check out my links I have on my channel. I have a GoFundMe, a Patreon. If you feel you would like to support this channel in any way, please feel free to check out those links, and you can do so. Also, I want to tell each and every one of you, thank you, thank you, thank you for all your support and care and watching and sharing. You've just been absolutely marvelous, and I want you to know I appreciate that, okay? Okay, so I want to show you how to make some chicken kebabs. So that's a kebab comes, you can put it on a skewer like this, or maybe you may have one at your local grocery store that may look like this, okay? But they do sell them, alright? And it's just another way to present your food or at your table, right? Something out of the norm. And this is something that you can even do with the kids, because this is safe for them to do. They'll have fun putting the vegetables and the meat on the kebab stick, right? So try that. Give them something to do, and they'll eat the food. When they are involved with the making of the food, they like it better and they'll eat it more, okay? It's a good way to have them to eat the vegetables. Okay, so let's get started. So I already seasoned the chicken with garlic, black pepper, and Larry seasoning salt, okay? So I took one red pepper and I cut off the top and I cut off the bottom, and then you have just the middle, right? And I cut it into these squares. So I cut it in half once and then again, so it ended up having 4 slices this size out of each cut, okay? So you cut the pepper in half once, and then you cut this half down the middle, and then again and again. So you're going to have 4 strips out of 1/2, so a total of 8, okay? Okay, and then you're going to take an onion and you're going to cut it and have you the same process, where you have pieces. As long as the pieces are around the same size, it's okay, okay? Alright, so let's assemble this one with you. So you'll notice, and it doesn't matter which order you go in, but I started with red pepper, chicken, and an onion. Red pepper, chicken, and an onion. And I followed the same suit all the way down. So that's what we're going to do, okay? So here's my skewer. So the first thing I put on is the red pepper. And make sure you put them all the same direction too. So here's the red pepper going on. The onion. And the chicken. And you do the same thing. And this is chicken breast, by the way. The red pepper, the onion, and the chicken. The red pepper, the onion, let me let you see what I'm doing so far, okay? And the chicken. And we got one more time to do this. The red pepper, the onion, I'll get another one. Onion and the chicken. And I want to end off with a red pepper. So I started with a red pepper and I'm going to end with one. So you can see. Okay? Alright. So I'm going to cook mine in the air fryer oven. You can cook yours in the air fryer oven or in the regular oven, okay? Alright. So I already oiled my rack and my drip pan. So I'm just going to sit them in here. Okay, they're in. And we're going to cook that at let's go 370. It's small pieces of meat. And let's do this for 10 minutes and then we'll check it then, okay? 10 minutes in the air fryer oven. Okay, so listen. Let me give you the word of the day. Would you like that? Okay, I thought you would. So the word of the day is, don't bite off more than you can chew. That means don't run yourself down to the point where you can't even function. That's biting off more than you can chew. Don't you know, it's good to support people and you should support people, but don't go to the point where now you can't support yourself, whether it's financially, physically, or anything else, okay? Learn your limitations, okay? So that's the word of the day. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Oh, and financially, oh my goodness. So let me give you an example of that. Maybe you need a new car. Well, please do not go and sign the dotted line on some price that you know is going to choke you. You know you can't afford. You know is going to cause you a financial hardship. Don't do it. That's biting off more than you can chew. Don't worry, it's one out there that that's in your budget and that you'll be happier with because you won't have any regrets. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Okay, that's the word of the day. And by the way, hit that subscribe button. Please share the video. Okay, and let everybody know what's happening over here with Grandma Ray. Alright? Okay, so we're waiting on our kebabs to cook and I'll be back. Thank you. Okay, so our first 10 minutes have stopped. Let's take a look. No, that's not done. Let me show you. Okay, not done. But I am going to turn them over. Okay. So we're going to give that another 10 minutes. 370 for 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay guys, so our kebabs have stopped. They have been cooking for a total of 20 minutes. 10 minutes on each side. So let's take a temp now. They look like they're done. Let me show you. See? Let's take a temp. Stick it right in. Okay, we've reached 167. We're done. Let me take that out and show you. Look at that, guys. Chicken kebab in the air fryer oven. How about that, huh? Looks good. And let me get a picture. I gotta get a thumbnail, you know that. Nice. How about that? Okay. Well, I want to taste one. Would you want me to taste one? Let's do it. Okay. So, all you do is just, oh, let me put the camera down. I'm sorry. Here we go. Okay, so to take it off, you just hold it up and just take the knife and just slide it down. See that? That's all you do. Can't wait to taste one. I can't get an onion. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to let you know how it tastes. Mmm. Very good, guys. The crunchiness of the red pepper is coming through, and the flavor from the onion, and the chicken is nice and soft. Love it, love it, love it. So you make yours. Make them with the kids, please. Okay? Alright, until next time, share the video, check out the links below, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I'd love to have you. Bye-bye.